Guys, kain tayo. Ang ulam namin ay nilitsong manok. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong lettuce. Makanin ako dito konti. Pero try ko muna ito. Sarap. Darin dito kumakain kanin.
I'm not eating rice.
Little.
Oh.
I eat a little bit. May sauce na. Kain tayo. Meron ako ditong miswa sardinas na tira din lahat. Na mayroong doktor. Hala. Kainin ko sayang pag may nakain. Sarap dalam. Sarap niya ang lasa. Ang lasa. Tasty, right?
Oh, remember yesterday I was the taste tester? Mom, I said remember yesterday I was the taste tester of this?
Kalahati na lang to kasi natira din. Medyo ano tayo ngayon, bawas-bawas ng konti sa kanin muna. Hindi naman ano, pamisan-misan.
This part is good. I like it. Is this sauce? What's it called?
Katas yan ng chicken.
Huh?
Parang nabusog na ako, ma'am.
Mom. When I took this on 7 years old, like, why did everyone thought I was 7 years old? I was just a song, right? Now I'm 7, right? Almost a month ago.
Mm.
What?
Ah,
Nothing.
lechon manok.
I'm talking to myself.
Mhm.
What? What?
Ang gusto ko to mga ano. Ano to?
Why does it look like a hand? Because it is a hand. Mom,
Mm.
I don't know why yesterday
Mm.
I thought the arms were not cooked, but I thought because it looks not cooked.
Sarap.
But it is.
Grabe yung lasa.
Hmm.
Nanuno.
I'm gonna shove this. Yup, yup. Why am I finishing all the rice?
By apple.
No.
You can finish it here.
Happy, happy, happy.
Hindi ko na makain ng kanin. Busog na ako. Okay. Thank you for watching guys. Ikat ko na mahaba ng video ko. So kakain pa kami.
It was just.
Pindutin mo dali.
Wait.
Why? Where are you going? Pindutin mo na. And
That
bye-bye.
video was 9 weeks long.